Hi everyone, I'm going to do a quick review video for the anti-snoring jaw strap, just so you guys get an idea of how this works. My husband is the one who uses this mainly, but I wanted to give you guys just kind of a closer up. So the overall strap is very stretchy. You're going to have these cutouts for your ears on each side. This is going to be the bottom part where your chin is going to lay, and then the top as well has these elastic bands to help make it comfortable and stretchy. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this on like this, and then adjust it to where it fits nicely over your ears on each side. So what this is going to do is help keep your jaw in place, so that when you're falling asleep and as you're relaxing, your mouth is not going to hang open and you won't get that loud snoring. So this is what it looks like. It's very stretchy, not so much to where I can obviously talk with it on, so you don't have to worry about that. But I just wanted to give you a better idea. And then the inside is this really soft, like fleece material, and it's really comfortable on your skin, so it shouldn't bother you, and it actually feels really comfortable. It's not something that is where you want to take it off. It actually feels nice. So there you have it. I just wanted to give you guys a closer idea. This has been very helpful for my husband. It has reduced his snoring quite a bit, especially the open mouth snoring. So yeah, we're very happy with it so far, and I hope that you guys found this video helpful. Thank you.